guys, it's Charlotte, and today's video is going to be like my everyday makeup routine. So within like the past, I guess, half a year, and since getting over my depression and everything, I've really came to love my face and just have a lot more self-love than I used to. So I don't wear nearly as much makeup as I used to. I don't feel the need to have to contour my nose and everything. So this will kind of be like an everyday natural slash school, I guess, if you go to school makeup tutorial, because it's really quick and easy to do. So yeah, we're just gonna do that, and I'm about to record a bunch more videos, so I thought since I have to do my makeup anyways, why not do it on camera for you guys. So this is my little hairband I put on first. It's like really crappy, but it doesn't pull my hair back much, so it actually works really good. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing I always do is I use my Professional Pore Primer. I just put some on my cheeks and above my eyebrows. This is where I do have some bigger pores, so it just helps diminish those pores. Okay, once I'm done that, I go into any kind of pimply spots I might have, that any red spots on my face, and I use Lancome color corrector, and this is a green concealer, and guys, I just love it so much. It's truly the best. And yeah, you only need a tiny bit, and just dab it anywhere where you have a red spot. And once your face is all green like the Grinch, I go in with concealer, and this is my almost empty NARS concealer in color Creme Brulee, and I just go over top. Usually I'm vanilla, but because I went on vacation, I'm a bit darker. So yeah, just go over top, and don't like move around the green concealer too much, so kind of just dab. Okay, and now we're gonna dab again. Dab! But with my mini beauty blender, which I love these small ones, and just go over the spots. And yeah, just blot it. And there we go. Any redness is totally gone now. Now I go in with my powder, which is a Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I kind of just dust it all over my face. So not too fancy about it. I just kind of go all over. And by the way, guys, I really don't like doing makeup. It's something, especially when I was depressed, that it just seemed like so much effort. So I wish I was one of those girls who really loved doing my makeup and had so much fun. But for me, it's something that was just like so much effort, so overwhelming. So I'm glad that now I have a more simple makeup routine. Okay, now for our brows, because I got mine tinted and I love it because I don't have to fill them in. I literally just go in with my clear brow gel and push them up so that they're more lifted and stay in place. So there's my brows, and now after that I go in with a little pencil. This is some random one I got from the dollar store. I just put it on my hand first just to make sure that it's like warm enough to make a pigment, and I fill in my cute little birthmark, which I love. This is like pretty specific to my face, so you guys don't have to do that, but I always do that because I love my birthmark. And hashtag embrace your face and your birthmarks and fill them in, guys. Okay, and now just like dust my face again in case any powder is still there, and we go into highlight. So I love this highlight. It's my favorite. It's the Benefit What's Up. Yeah, just put some up here. Put it in, don't worry, we're gonna blend it. And a little bit on my nose and down the side of my nose. There we go. And some here. And then some here. And here. And then, again, blot it out. And look at, oh, it's so pigmented. I love it. And it's like a golden highlight. It's not like a white one, it's a golden, and I really love it. That nose highlight is popping, and sometimes I just go like this to put a little bit of highlight there. I don't like to overdo it. And now the last highlighter I use is my Color FX glitter drops in color, I don't know, it's the golden color. I have the pink one too, but I like this one because it's a really warm highlight. So when I want like a more cool toned highlight, I use NARS, and then I use the pink one of this. But when I want a more warm, I will use the Color FX. And I dab it into the inner corner of my eyes. and this one just glows so much. It literally has like the strongest glow ever. So it's kind of intense if you use it for your highlight here, but in the corner of the eyes, it's everything. So now we move on to mascara, and I am going to be using Dolly Wink Brown Mascara, and this has been like a hack that I found that works so good for my face and for creating like natural lashes. So first I'll go in and just mascara all of my lashes with the brown mascara and kind of sweep them to the side. So kind of like cat eye to make it sweep and kind of just look fluttery. And I always try to put more in like the outer corner because that makes it look like most dramatic and natural. And while that first coat is drying, we're gonna move on to the lips. Go in with just this random Avon Pink Bouquet lip liner and just outline my lips. And up here at the top, you'll see I kind of like to go over it to make my lips more rounded instead of really having a Cupid's bow. I don't know why, it just like is cute. And I slightly overline, but not too heavily. Woo! So there's our lip liner, and then I go in with my favorite thing, which is Posy Tint by Benefit. And this is so good. Lip tints are everything because they keep your lips hydrated, and matte lipsticks flake off. These keep your lips hydrated and stay on for so long. Bring tints back. It's so good. So yeah, put a little on and then just dab. I am saying dab too much in this video. And there we have our beautiful pink lip color. And while that dries, we go back to our mascara and I do a second coat of the brown, but we aren't finished yet. We did that, and now we're going in with the final step, which is mascara still, and it is the Better Than Waterproof Mascara by Too Faced. And for this, I only go over the top lashes and kind of in the corner and the very bottoms of my lower lashes. I don't outline the whole lower lash or else it creates too dark of an effect, but just the tips so that it like elongates them. I find that this works really good. There we have it. That's basically all I do, and then usually I just go into my bathroom, get my rose water, and spray it on my face to make it sit. Otherwise, that's basically my makeup routine. So now I'll just insert a little posing clip. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just short little makeup routine. But makeup for me and like finding what worked for my face, I feel like makeup is so face specific. Like everyone has their features that when you enhance those features, that's what brings out more natural beauty or whatever. For me, it's my eyelashes, but for some people it's the eyebrows, some people it's the lips, some people it's the highlights, some people you just don't need anything at all. We are all beautiful without makeup, but I do like to just enhance what's already there. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what your staple makeup products are. Bye!